Hey folks, welcome to my hidey hole in the basement. This is just going to be a quick one. This is a mostly printed CNC machine I've been fighting with for quite a while. Finally last week I clued in that these motors weren't strong enough, so I got new motors, and lo and behold, this thing is up and running. So, well, we don't know if it's up and running yet because I haven't actually tried it yet. Things move the way they're supposed to, but I've got a test file on this card here, and we're just going to see if this thing's going to work. Should draw a crown, so let's find out. I'll give you an actual full overview of this unit in another video, but uh-oh, doesn't see my SD card. Just hold on, I'm gonna have to oh, card inserted. There we go. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna have to try a different card. Just hold on a sec. Okay, I got a different SD card in here. There we go, print from SD. There should be a crown on there. I've already kind of moved this to 00 manually. Pen should be touching. So let's see if she's gonna go, or if something horrible happens. Sorry about the lighting, but there's the test crown. Let's see what happens. Oh ho! She's drawing lines. It's gonna be slow, but it's working. I'll come back with the final result. It's hard to see with the lighting, but it finished properly. I'm happy. This has been a long ongoing project. Finally got it working, so I say I'll do a more appropriate video of everything about this unit in the near future. Till then, take care and talk to you later.